Yeah.
Good. Okay. Here, two individual alphabets. Okay.
Okay.
This one. What is this? Do you know the alphabet? Aima? This one is Jim.
Jim.
And the next one?
Ba.
Good. Two alphabets join. When two alphabets are joined, it becomes a word. Okay?
Okay.
Like alphabet A double P L E, apple. Is it?
Yeah.
Here, how many alphabets are here in apple? The word of apple? Five alphabet. Is it?
Yeah.
A double P 3 and L 4 E 5. So like that here, Jim and Ba. When join these two alphabets, it becomes Jim Ba.
Jim. Ba.
Jim Ba.
Jim. Ba.
Jim Ba become a word. Jab. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. What is this?
Jim.
Good. And the second one? What comes after Ba?
Ta.
Good. This is Ta. Is it? Hmm? Aima?
Yeah.
Is it Ta? Hmm? I'm asking you. Is it Ta? Yes, this is Ta. Okay.
Okay.
So here Jim and Ta. Jim Ta.
Jim. Ta.
Jim Ta.
Jim. Ta.
Very good. And the next one, this one is
Jim.
alphabet. Good. And Jim is with.
Ta.
Very good. So we will combine this one. Jim Sa.
Jim. Sa.
Jim Sa.
Jim. Sa.
Repeating from first. Jim Ba.
Jim. Ba.
Jim Ta.
Jim. Ta.
Jim Sa.
Jim. Sa.
Very good. Now next one. This one. Now tell me this one.
Ha.
Good. And ha. What is this?
Ha.
What comes after? Hmm? Can't hear you. What is this?
Ha.
What comes after Alif?
Ba.
Yes, this is ha ba.
Ha. Ba.
Repeat.
Ha. Ba.
Ha ba.
Ha. Ba.
Good. This one. Now tell me this one.
Ha.
Good.
Ta.
Good. So we will combine this now.
Ha. Ta.
Very good. Very good. Next one.
Ha.
Good. Good. Combinedly.
Ha, sa.
Very good. Now we are going to repeat these three, sorry. Ha, ba.
Ha, ba.
Ha, ta.
Ha, ta.
Ha, sa.
Ha, sa.
Very good. Now next one. This one.
Kho,
Very good. Ho with.
ba.
Good. Now combine.
Kho, ba.
Good. This one.
Kho,
And with.
ta.
Good. Combinedly.
Kho, ta.
Very good. This one. Ho with.
Sa.
Good. Now.
Kho, sa.
Very good. Very good. Now we are going to repeat these three. Kho, ba.
Kho, ba.
Kho, ta.
Kho, ta.
Kho, sa.
Kho, sa.
Very good. Now here. What is this? Check the angle. The angle of in which the angle of direction? In which direction? Here is left. Is it?
Yeah.
So this is lamb. Okay.
Yeah.
Lamb
Lam.
with alif.
Alif.
So it will say lamb alif.
Lam, alif.
Lamb alif.
Lam, alif.
This one also, this one is lamb and this one is alif. Okay.
Okay.
So lamb alif.
Lam, alif.
Good. Now here, this one. Hmm. Lam.
Lam,
Aima.
lam.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. This one is lamb
Lam,
and lamb with.
ba.
Good. Now,
Lam, ba.
very good. Now here. What is this? This is calf.
Ka,
Calf with.
ba.
Good. Now,
Ka, ba.
excellent. Now here. This
Ka,
one. Mm-hmm. With.
ta.
Good. Now.
Ka, ta.
Good. Now here.
Ka,
With.
ta.
Now.
Ka, sa.
Very good. Very good. Okay, repeating from here. Lamb alif.
Lam, alif.
Lamb alif.
Lam, alif.
Lamb ba.
Lam, ba.
Sorry. Lamb ba.
Lam, ba.
Good. Calf ba.
Ka, ba.
Calf ta.
Ka, sa.
Calf sa.
Ka, sa.
Very good. Now here, this one.
Ba.
Very good. Ba with.
Alif.
Good. Now.
Ba. Alif.
Very good. Now here. Hmm. This is noon.
Noon.
Noon with.
Alif.
And now.
Noon. Alif.
Very good. Now here. This one.
Ta.
And ta with.
Alif.
Good. Now.
Ta. Alif.
Good. Here. This one.
Ta.
With.
Alif.
And now.
Ta. Alif.
Very good. Now repeating from here. Ba alif.
Ba. Alif.
Noon alif.
Noon. Alif.
Ta alif.
Ta. Alif.
Sa alif.
Ta. Alif.
Very good. Now the third line. This one is
Sheen.
very good. Very good. Shin with.
Alif.
Now.
Sheen. Alif.
Very good.
Ba.
Good. With.
Alif.
And now.
Ba. Alif.
Excellent. This one. What comes after fa?
Ta.
Is it ta? Hmm? This is qaf.
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 Qaf with.
Alif.
Now.
Qaf. Alif.
Very good. This one. You
Jim.
repeat. Good. Good.
Alif.
This one. And now.
Jim. Alif.
Good. This one. Ha with.
Alif.
Now.
Ha. Alif.
Very good. This one.
Kha.
With.
Alif.
And now.
Kha. Alif.
Good. This one. This is ha.
Ha.
With.
Alif.
And now.
Ha. Alif.
Very good. This one. This is meme.
Mim.
Meme with.
Alif.
And now.
Mim. Alif.
Very good. This one.
Ba.
Very good. Ba with.
Twa.
And now.
Ba. Twa.
Very good. Now repeating from here. Sheen alif.
Shin. Alif.
Ha alif.
Ha. Alif.
Qaf alif.
Qaf. Alif.
Jim alif.
Jim. Alif.
Ha alif.
Ha. Alif.
Kha alif.
Kha. Alif.
Ha alif.
Ha. Alif.
Mim alif.
Mim. Alif.
Ba twa.
Ba. Twa.
Okay, in the last we will repeat from the first again. Jim ba.
Jim. Ba.
Jim ta.
Jim. Ta.
Jim sa.
Jim. Sa.
حبا
حبا
حتى
حتى
حسا
حسا
خبا
خبا
خدا
خدا
خسا.
خسا
Second line, lam alif.
لام ألف
This one also lam alif.
لام ألف
Lam ba
لام با
kaf ba.
كاف با
Next one.
كاف سا
Good.
كاف سا
Good.
با ألف
Hmm.
نون ألف
Good.
تا ألف
Very good.
تا ألف
Hmm.
سين ألف
Good.
با ألف
Good. This one. Qaf alif.
قاف ألف
Hmm.
جيم ألف
Very good.
ها ألف
Good.
قا ألف
Good.
ها ألف ميم ألف
Very good.
با طا
Very good. Now Sadaqallahul
صدق الله
Aliyyul
العلي
Azim.
العظيم
Allahumma
اللهم
salli ala
صل على
Muhammadin
محمد
wa ali
وآل
Muhammad
محمد
wa ajil
وأجل
farajahum.
فرجهم